Hey, good morning. We're back at the property. We got a few inches of snow. I've got my oldest son Will here today helping us. How's it going? We're gonna try to set up a shelter and put in a few more deck boards, but we'll see what the weather does. Right now it's about 40 degrees. Really cold. Yeah, it's cold. Everything's frozen solid. It's hunting season in Maine. About 2 weeks in. Hence the bright orange.
Wow.
They're frozen solid.
This might go 30 times faster without the gloves. The hammer's not with us currently, so we have to improvise and adapt.
I think it's through.
She did.
Perfect. All right, we have a shelter frame. Will's tightening everything up, and we'll throw the cover over it, and hopefully keep this stuff out of the weather for the winter. There's the replacement cover. We got the cover on.
ShelterLogic is complete. Believe it or not, it's actually warmer in there.
It is warm. Feels good. All right, that'll keep things dry for the winter. Good afternoon. It's almost 11:30, I think. Back at the property in Maine. I'm gonna try to get some deck boards down today. I think this might be the last day. It's pretty, it's cold. See, we've already got a few inches of snow on the ground. Brought Murray with me. He's in the truck. I think Will's gonna come up a little later and give me a hand. So right now I'm just bringing the tools from the truck out, and we'll see what we can get done. All right, that's what Will and I did last weekend. We only got, I don't know, 3 or 4 boards down, but we're getting there. We're probably halfway to, the deck's about 5 feet wide, so we're probably halfway. about as far as I'm going to go over. About one board shy, but where that block is, that's roughly the front of the treehouse. So needs another double block there. That's where the bottom plate will sit for the outside wall. So I'm going to wait and put that last deck board on. And I'm just going to continue my way, working across to the other side. All right, I got all the joist tape around the tree and the bracing. Now I'm going to put the outer edge of the decking on so we can continue with the other decking. Ooh. Chilly. Perfect.
What you doing?
Cutting more decking. Cutting more decking. It's like the slowest process ever.
That board looks like a banana. Maybe it's better that way? Ooh.
I mean, nope, fucking dead on. All right, we got some more decking down. About 24 feet by about 4 feet. So I stopped today because I need to put more blocking around this tree and then these two trees in the middle need some blocking.